What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally Friday, because today is Snap-on Friday, which means it's the very best day of the week. Hamilton's here, so let's take a look, see what he's got. Come on. Tell everybody you're peg legging today.
Yeah, we're good. Riding solo on the back here right now. Junk yellow Snap-on truck.
Trying to save gas.
Yeah. Less resistance rolling down the highway.
Well, you got a bunch of them grinders in here, straight screwdrivers, whatever you are.
A bunch of different. Got the straight ones in. Got some of the 90s. And the regular ones too. Like right here.
All that money.
You don't want a each?
Nope. We on Corona quarantine.
Corona quarantine?
Yeah.
Buy a little, pay little.
You have to quarantine your bank account.
Yeah, like keep it locked up from everybody else.
Don't let it around nobody.
I think that's the virus all the time. It's always sick every time I look at it.
Somebody almost got all the good out of that, didn't they?
Yeah, that's what happens, unfortunately, when they don't pay for stuff.
Oh, man. Ooh, they're rough on it, weren't they?
Yeah.
You ever have to repo my stuff, you ought to be able to get at least 80% of your money back.
Most of it look brand new still.
Take care of it. Too expensive not to.
Yeah, you got that right.
Well, that's cool.
That was all actually part of the St. Patrick's Day package.
Yeah.
Everything else going on, they got their shipment slowed down, so I got them in about 2 days ago. That figures, don't it?
Oh, well. At least they come in, right?
Yeah.
300 something days ahead of time.
Them matches their uniforms right there.
Yeah.
Be perfect. We could wear them for workouts, can't we, Bill?
Yep. That's probably one of the most consistently asked questions about y'all's uniforms, and where's Wally at?
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah, who?
Who's Wally?
Who? Where's he at, Bill?
Wasn't he supposed to be here?
He don't work here no more?
I don't know. I thought he was supposed to be here.
Instead of where's Waldo, it's where's Wally. We'll write a little book on it. Where's Wally?
We'll just get a little paper Wally and we'll just hide him somewhere in the truck so they can find him every video.
Yeah, instead of commenting first, who finds Wally first?
That's it.
That'd be funny.
Well, anything new?
I didn't get anything new in this week. Besides, that, but like I only got 1, maybe 2 shipments in all week.
You got one big box here.
Yeah,
Literally,
got 2
one big box.
Yeah, I got 2 boxes delivered here.
You already got it sold?
Nah, I just ordered it, and because they had a pretty good deal on it. And I like that all black. It looks pretty good. Black on black on black.
Everything's black. Even
Everything's
the logo.
black. Yeah. I had to put a picture of it at the end. It looks just a good looking box.
Yeah.
Somebody will want it.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So you ain't got the Corona, I guess.
No, not yet at least.
Still drinking them Michelob's?
Michelob's. Got the hangover today. Ain't got the Corona.
Well, take it. That's the best one to get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something was up. Everything got quiet all of a sudden. He got to look up and see. He's like,
He's TikToking.
No, actually, I'm texting my brother-in-law. He's hearing impaired, so it's easier to text him than it is to talk. Unless I'm right there beside him.
you got to holler at him.
Not really. I mean, you got to talk loud, but they can hear a little bit.
His brother-in-law's cool, I have to say that. He's a pretty cool dude. That looks like a little bitty pot lid.
Yeah. little breather hole so I don't blow the lid off. That's a like a chip blocker or debris blocker going in with your blow gun.
I know Wally had one of those, I think his was a Blue Point. It had the big rubber end on it.
Yep.
It was blue plastic. That big old fat rubber end was nice.
Yeah.
I miss Wally's blow gun.
I know.
It worked.
Matco's got a set that's got one like that, but it's got like 3 or 4 different ends you can put on it.
Yeah. Or you can get the different ones. You can buy just a smaller point or the one with the small and the medium and the large.
Yeah.
And like there's the blue point, but I think that one's just all metal on it. Yeah. So you can get the different tips for it too.
That one, you can put the different ends on?
Yep.
How much is that with that 3-pack of tips? Then I won't have to miss Wally's blow gun no more. That's the end right there. That medium size one.
What's that number on that? 1050. About 40 on the blow gun, about 55 on the
Gosh,
first tip.
damn, so $100 for a blow
$100.
gun. Y'all lost y'all's damn minds with y'all doing. Look, Bill's like, son of a gun. That's
He said, gosh, damn.
$100 for a blow gun.
We should have just got Wally's out of his toolbox for it last.
They would never even notice.
Crap. Y'all gonna have to quit smoking that shit. That's what y'all gonna have to do.
I passed the message along.
Holy cow. $100 for a plastic pistol that shoots iron. That's ridiculous. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to title this one, My Snap-on Dealer Has Lost His
That'd be funny.
Coronavirus has
Got him jacked up.
Man, this quarantine has got you bad. That's what it is. I figured you was gonna say like $40 for both of them. I was gonna be like, dang, that's high, but I'll take it. You know? $100 for a blow gun. Woo! Man. Alright, on next week's episode of you need to get that sign made for that step.
Yeah.
Tell everybody what it's gonna say.
And they, it's, after this step, it's all consensual.
Ooh, Lord. That hurt.
Yeah, and they get him to call him, get him to make me that sign so we can put it on there.
Man. I don't even touch it. Blow gun. That probably costs $5. Look at it. I'm gonna let you hang that stuff back up. I don't need a blow gun that bad, do you?
No, you don't need to drop it and break it trying to hang it back up either.
$15 restocking fee.
Yeah.
Snap-on tax is high, buddy.
Bad. Bit driver. Bit ratchet.
Yeah, 6-inch one. I accidentally ordered the wrong one for somebody. I was supposed to order 8, and apparently they had a 6 instead of 8.
So that was just too short, huh?
Yep. Story of my
That's
life.
some picky people, ain't they?
Yeah.
Special order people.
Special order people. Heck yeah.
Bill, did you tell everybody about your new shirt you got?
No, I hadn't yet.
Bill's got a new shirt. Yeah. He'll show y'all a picture of it. So y'all can see it. That's available in our links down in the description if you want a special order Bill t-shirt. He's
That
got
shirt's
it.
gonna go viral. Everybody's gonna be buying this shirt. Everybody's like, what's that mean right there?
Hey, if y'all send them to me, y'all buy one, send it to me, I'll order.
Autograph it for you.
There you go. Be world famous by Bill. Ain't it?
That's right.
Will you sign it with a grease pencil? or a
I'll sign it
regular?
whatever they want me to sign it with.
Had to get him one of them, the silver permanent markers. It'd be a black shirt.
They said buy a t-shirt, he'll send you a blow gun back. Buy a $20 t-shirt or $27 t-shirt, get a $100 blow gun.
No thank you. Keep that $100 blowgun.
Tell them, Bill, that's a joke. This is a joke.
Only a joke.
Somebody be like, I didn't get my daggone blowgun.
Or they'll see that part and be fast forwarding it straight through the. It's a joke.
You saying people don't watch all of our videos?
I'm pretty sure by now. Like Wally is no longer here, but it's still getting bright. Wally's been gone for 2 months now, and people still saying, "Where's Wally? Where's Wally? Where's Wally?"
Every week.
And every week we talk about it, at least on 3 different videos. Wally's no longer here. Well, I say, I'm exaggerating just a little bit, folks, but yeah, Wally's not here anymore.
They texting you yet, Bill, asking where Wally is?
Nope.
I think I had 3 texts asking where. Did Wally really leave? Yeah, Wally really. Why'd he really leave?
No, we just hide him. We lock him up on Fridays.
I don't know why he really left. I guess he want to go back to his old job, no?
Well, what all you got expected coming in?
I'm hoping my 3/4 inch electric impacts come in pretty soon. Of course, I got some more of the half-inch, the new half-inch ones, the CT9075s coming in.
When you gonna get the brushless 3/8 guns?
I don't know, I ain't heard anything on them yet as far as a date.
I need to go and send us one of them where we can try it out.
Yeah, I'd be happy to try that bad boy out. I know these have been going off the shelf pretty quick. I really liking them.
Ours is still working good because I ain't used it. Ain't burning up yet.
Yeah, but them sold quite a few of them.
You know what's going to happen? It's going to go out of warranty, and Clay will say, "Well, I need to use this now," and go to use it. What? It's locked up. It won't work.
Smoke packet coming
Then I'm burned up the warranty, and done burned his gun up too.
Well, say I'm saving it because that way I can say, "Hey, I've had this thing 2 months." Before it quit this time.
Wait till that last year before, or that last week before the warranty runs out.
We'll polish our toolboxes.
There you go.
Be it.
Get a new one.
All right, guys. Well, I guess we're gonna cut this thing off and get back at it. Like always, guys, check the links in the description. We've got cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button right down there. You guys have a great weekend. Wash your hands. Don't catch a corona. We'll catch y'all later. See ya.